Alright, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi zidni ilma, Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatan min lisani yafqahu qawli. Before we start the exam, we ask Allah subhanahu to help us. So the topic that we are going to today is simultaneous equations. So in simultaneous equations, basically you have two equations. For example, let me say x plus y is equals to 5 and x minus y is equals to, let's say, 7. Alright. So this is the first type of example that we are doing. So over here, in simultaneous equation, you have several methods to do it. The method that we will be learning today is called elimination. Alright, this method is called elimination. So first of all, if you see x plus x, it will become 2x. Plus y and minus y, they will be cancelled because one of them is plus 1y. The other is negative 1y. So plus y and negative y both will be cancelled out. So we won't write anything here. Is equals to 5 plus 7 is 12. X is equals to 12 divided by 2. X is equals to 6. So this is the value of x. Now look, this was equation 1. This was equation 2. We found one value, which is the value of x. Now we will find the value of y. So you can either use equation 1 or you can use equation 2. So let's say x plus y is equals to 5. We are using equation 1. So instead of x, I will write 6. 6 plus y is equals to 5. Y is equals to 5 minus 6. Y is equals to negative 1. So that's how you use, this is the first example of simultaneous equation. So let me make another example. For example, you have 2x plus y is equals to 10, and you have, let's say, let me think, you have, let's say, 3x plus y is equals to, let's say, 5. Now look, we cannot eliminate anything because 2x and 3x, it will be 5x, y plus y will be 2y. In this question, we cannot eliminate anything. So now what will we do? This is equation 1. This is equation 2. We will first decide which variable we want to eliminate. Do we want to eliminate x or do we want to eliminate y? In this question, we will eliminate y. Why? Because in order to eliminate, both the variables should be same. For example, this is y, this is also y. So we can eliminate y easily. So I will multiply the first or the second equation, whichever one I want, with the minus sign. So let's say I'm multiplying the second equation with the minus sign. So now this will become 2x plus y is equals to 10 minus 3x minus y is equals to minus 5. So if you look at the question, now you can eliminate plus y and minus y. 2x minus 3x is negative x is equals to 10 minus 5 is just 5. We cannot write negative sign with x, so it will become x is equals to negative 5. In order to find the value of y, we can use the first equation, which is 2x plus y is equals to 10. I will say 2 in place of x, I will write minus 5 plus y is equals to 10. This becomes minus 10 plus y is equals to 10. Y is equals to 10 plus 10. Y is equals to 20. So whenever the signs are same, we have to multiply one of the equation with negative sign in order to eliminate. Now we have another case, the third case. For example, your equation might be like 2x. Let me write it a bit more neatly. 2x plus 3y is equals to 5 and 3x minus 2y is equals to, let's say, 11. Let's say 11. So look, we cannot eliminate any of the numbers. So what we will do, We will eliminate y because they have different signs. But how will we do that? This is the first equation, this is the second equation. In order to eliminate it, we will multiply the first equation with 2. Why? Because the value of y is 2y. And the second equation we will multiply it with 3. Why? Because the upper equation is 3. The reason we are doing is so that both y's become same. So 2 multiplied by 2x is 4x. 2 multiplied by 3y is plus 6y is equals to 2 multiplied by 5 is 10. In this equation 3 multiplied by 3 is 9x. 3 multiplied by minus 2y is minus 6y. And 3 multiplied by 11 is 33. So plus y, 6y and minus 6y both are cancelled. 4 plus 9 it's 13. 13x is equals to 10 plus 33 is 43. So x is equals to 43 divided by 13. I don't think they can be divided any further, but let me check. Yeah, I don't think so. Yeah, okay, never mind. It's all right. And use the first equation if you want. You can use either the first or the second. Let's use the first. 2x plus 3y is equals to 5. 2 in place of x you will write 43 upon 13 plus 3y is equals to 5. Multiply it for 2 multiplied by 43 is 86 upon 13 plus 3y is equals to 5. 3y is equals to 5 minus 86 upon 13 because we shifted it over there. Let me see, what do we get? 5 minus 86 upon 13, we get minus 21 upon 13. So 3y is equals to minus 21 over 13. This number will be divided with 3 because we have 3y divided with 3. So it's minus 7 over 13. So y is equals to minus 7 over 13. So these are the ways to solve simultaneous equations using elimination method. I hope you all were able to understand this. Please do remember to like and subscribe. Thank you.